Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. I did a live yesterday at the time of the creation of this video where I went over this brand new system called Multiple Income Funnel. If you guys have been a part of any systems in the past, you've played the game of affiliate marketing, you know that when systems first launch, that's when they convert the most. So if you want to jump on board with me into Multiple Income Funnel, there's going to be a link below in the description of this video. Without further ado, what I want to do is I want to log into Multiple Income Funnel, and it's called that for a reason because there are multiple streams of income. You know how much I love to promote systems where there's multiple streams of income because you're able to create residual low ticket commissions as well as mid ticket and even those big high ticket commissions. So it's very simple. When you first sign up and make your payment, you're going to go to step one right here. You're going to watch this video, join the Facebook group, and it really is as simple as following directions. If you follow directions with this system, you're going to have a bigger potential to create some really good results with this. Okay, so you complete step one, complete step two. This is where you sign up for all your different income streams. Now this system, the face of the system is Mac Zaiden, Mac Mills. A lot of people know him by. The system itself was not created by him. It was actually created by a company called Traffic Authority, but he is the face of the system. His stuff converts like no other, converts really well. I'm going to show you guys results here in just a second. But you got income stream number one, which is the system itself, to where you're going to earn $20 commissions each and every month off of members that come on board with you. Income stream number two is Easy One Up. Okay, if you guys know about Easy One Up, you know how well the Easy One Up converts. It spits out $25, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and even $2,000 commissions, which I was able to create a $2,000 commission today from this very system that you're looking at right now. It did all the work for me. I didn't have to do any selling or telling or anything of that sort. Then you got income stream number three, which is TechSpot. I've actually been able to get a few $100 commissions from this income stream number three. And again, this has only been around for 24 hours, you guys. And then you have income stream number four. Now, really quickly on income stream number three, it's really cool because TechSpot AI allows you to do text message marketing to your prospects. And 95% of people open a text message, not only open a text message, but open it up within 60 seconds. So you're able to leverage this technology, use it to market, and also earn a commission from it when you refer people to TechSpot AI. And then, of course, Easy One Up, if you're not familiar, it's a digital marketing education platform. So depending on which level you come in at, it determines the commissions that you get paid on. You get 100% commissions based off of where you come in at as well. Mac does a good job of breaking this down. And it's just an overall great program to be a part of. This program has been around for over 5 years. And each level, depending on how much you pay, will give you a certain level of digital marketing education. So this is a program, and you're paying for digital marketing education that you can then relicense and resell. And the education includes anything from YouTube marketing to Facebook marketing to Twitter marketing to like TikTok marketing, to other sorts of marketing strategies, how to use ClickFunnels, how to learn how, the tech stuff of building web pages, so on and so forth. Okay, so that's income stream number two. Number three that you're going to want to plug into, watch the videos, plug into them. Then income stream number four is going to be Traffic Authority. This is where you can actually purchase traffic from the highly qualified traffic providers. This isn't like Udemy, okay? This is actually people that provide quality traffic that go out there, get fresh blood, fresh leads, and then pass those leads on to you. Versus like Udemy is a bunch of the same solo ad providers that you're buying from, and you're sharing email lists with somebody else. And then you're having to compete by spamming the same people. And those people typically have emails that are just being spammed day in and day out. So it's hard for your emails to stand out. And maybe that's why you haven't succeeded in the past with solo ad marketing. With Traffic Authority, it's fresh blood coming into your business day in and day out. So you can not only purchase traffic from Traffic Authority and obviously send that traffic to this very system you're going to be going through, but you can also be an affiliate and earn commission off of Traffic Authority as well. So after you complete step 2, which is the multiple income streams, you're going to go to step 3 to set up your e-wallet so you can get paid from the system itself, right? Because the system costs roughly, I believe it's right around $49 a month, if I remember correctly. And then you're going to get $20 per month of that. So to get access to this very system, yes, there is a fee, but wait until I show you the results. I've already generated $2,000 in under 24 hours. Okay, so it pretty much is paid for the system for the whole entire year and then some, right? And then you have the back office tour as well. So let me go over here to the links, the promotion links. These are the different links that you can share. Everything's done for you. You don't have to set up capture pages. You don't have to set up sales pages. You don't have to do any of the selling or telling whatsoever. Okay, you just simply send traffic using and leveraging Traffic Authority and any other strategies that you may already be implementing, and you reap the rewards and you get the results. Okay, so let me actually show you. Speaking of results, let me go to my business right here, click on commissions, and you guys can see, look at all these commissions that I've made in under 24 hours. So I take this $1,170 plus the $2,000, that's over $3,000, plus TextBot.ai also gave me, I think, $300 or $400 in commissions. And so that's well over like $3,300, $3,400 just in less than 24 hours. So if you want to start making $1,000 per day, $2,000 per day, $5,000 per day plus, then this is a system that's going to allow you to do that, okay? To get access to this very system, all you need to do is click the link below. And by the way, any income claims that I've made in this video is not intended to serve as a guarantee of income. Okay, instead, it's designed to give you what is possible. So success in this business does require hard work. It does require consistency. So I want to add that disclaimer there. It's no guarantee that you're going to spit out $2,000, $3,000 days. I'm just showing you what I'm able to do and documenting my journey with multiple income funnel. So use it at your discretion. If you want to get access, click the link below. I look forward to seeing you inside of the Facebook group and potentially seeing your success. Take care.